Elon Musk is a man that can be defined in so many ways. Apart from his role in Tesla and SpaceX, the man is also famous for creating fluctuations in the cryptocurrency market with just his tweets. So, is the crypto market entirely dependent on Elon Musk, or is there anything more to it than just Elon's tweets? Well, that's why you're here today, so let's discuss just that. Hello, future billionaires! Welcome back to our channel Crypto Money, the channel where you get crypto inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. In case you're not a part of our community, now is the right time to be by subscribing to our channel for more videos just like this one, and also drop a like for the video if you are a fan of Elon Musk. With all that done, let's get started. Elon Musk's Twitter account is no joke, and it's something that needs to be taken very seriously. With around 57.1 million followers on Twitter during the making of this video, the man is clearly capable of doing big things with just his tweets. His followers include all kinds of people. They could be investors in his company, his customers, his fans, and industry experts in general. So this fanbase is entirely different from your TikTok superstar. Elon Musk is now in the limelight once again, but this time his tweet once again raised the prices of Bitcoin. How? Well, on June 13th, Elon Musk tweeted, "This is inaccurate. Tesla only sold around 10% of holdings to confirm BTC would be liquidated easily without moving the market. When there's confirmation of reasonable around 50% clean energy usage by miners with a positive future trend, Tesla will resume allowing Bitcoin transactions." This tweet was in response to a tweet from the user Cointelegraph, where Elon was accused of the Bitcoin pump and dump. This single tweet from Elon raised the prices of Bitcoin. On June 17th, the prices of Bitcoin were hovering at around the $40,000 mark. And remember, by the time you're watching this video, the prices might be entirely different. That's how volatile the entire cryptocurrency market is. Elon is almost entirely responsible for people taking the meme-based cryptocurrency by the name Dogecoin seriously, and that earned him the title of Dogefather. But how powerful is the Twitter account of Elon? To know how everything started, we need to go back to December of 2020. It was in December of 2020 when Elon Musk had asked about the possibility of converting large transactions of Tesla's balance sheet into Bitcoin in a tweet. Ever since that tweet, Elon regularly tweeted about Bitcoin and Dogecoin. His followers cannot be blamed for taking his tweets seriously because the man has accomplished a lot in his life. He is the man who did the impossible. He built reusable rockets and completely destroyed the competition in the space industry. His electric car company changed the way people look at electric cars. Tesla was also successful in bringing novelty to the dull and outdated automotive industry. Then, on January 29th of 2021, Elon changed his Twitter bio to Bitcoin, and this was also reflected in the prices, because the prices went from $32,000 all the way to $38,000. The price then dropped and rose up again to the same $38,000 mark. Before changing the bio to Bitcoin, the Bitcoin trade rates were at 5,000 per hour, and then just within an hour that number went up to 20,000 per hour. After that, Tesla bought Bitcoin worth $1.5 billion and also announced that the company would be accepting Bitcoin for payments. However, this decision was later changed when Elon again took it to Twitter and let his followers know that Tesla will no longer accept payments due to environmental concerns due to Bitcoin mining. Musk mentioned on Twitter that "we are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel." This single decision led to a cryptocurrency market crash, and Bitcoin prices went below $40,000 on May 17th. Tesla also did not sell any of their Bitcoin holdings, apart from 10% of the total holdings they sold earlier in April, as the company bought Bitcoin for more flexibility and also to further diversify and maximize returns on cash. Elon responded to this with a tweet stating that Tesla sold Bitcoin only to test its liquidity and that the company still holds its Bitcoin investment. So, with all of these, we might think Elon is solely responsible for the Bitcoin price rally and also the crash of the cryptocurrency market. Well, all of this is mostly true, but when you look deeper into how these cryptocurrencies work, there are 4 parts to the price cycle. The first one is accumulation, then markup followed by distribution and markdown. This cycle is also applicable for all other kinds of investments. In late 2020, when the prices started getting higher, that phase is the accumulation phase. And then when the prices hit a record high, that is the distribution phase. And then the market went down. Historically, Bitcoin did experience such a cycle, and we need to highlight the fact that these assets are highly volatile, and such huge differences in price are normal. Many analysts are of the opinion that a correction was required, and Elon's tweets were just a catalyst for the much-needed correction in that market. We also have an online activist and hacking group by the name Anonymous, and they're monitoring the tweets from Elon Musk about cryptocurrencies. They are here to warn the billionaire about his actions that caused a negative sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. The group called Elon a narcissistic rich dude who's desperate for attention. The video also says, "It seems that the games you have played with the crypto markets have destroyed lives," adding that the tweets show a clear disregard for the average working person. Even though we're not sure whether it's really Anonymous behind the message to Elon, this is really interesting. Elon Musk replied to this with a tweet that says Hannah Montana is actually Miley Cyrus. We cannot also talk about Dogecoin without Elon Musk. Elon is the reason why Dogecoin is what it is today. SpaceX will also be accepting Dogecoin, and the company is literally taking Dogecoin to the moon. The satellite, named Doge 1, will be launched with the help of SpaceX Falcon 9 during the first quarter of 2022. This means that Dogecoin will be the first currency to be on the moon. It looks like with this, Elon took the joke a bit too far. Now let's discuss the unpopular opinion about Elon's tweets. That is, how you can benefit from his tweets. Well, we don't have any short-term benefits because cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile, and the chances of you losing money is more than you making money out of it. But if you will be making money, you can make a lot of it depending on the time you invested your money in cryptocurrencies. The long-term benefits of Elon's tweet, especially the one where he discussed the reason why Tesla is no longer accepting Bitcoin, is an important one. The reason why it's important is because if all cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, become a real currency where you could buy a Tesla with Bitcoin, the environmental impact due to the energy used for mining these coins will be much higher, and the benefits of using a decentralized coin will not outweigh the effects of it on the environment. So, with that decision of Tesla, we could see a rise in the popularity of eco-friendly coins like Cardano's ADA and also XRP, and there could be a chance maybe one day you could use these currencies for actual payments. This particular tweet from Elon will bring the focus of both developers and investors to the sustainability side of things for these cryptocurrencies. So once they're sustainable, then we might see a day where we can ditch our fiat currency for cryptocurrency. So yes, Elon Musk's tweet is more powerful than you think. He also runs two of the world's most influential companies that can accept cryptocurrency payments. And if his companies decide to accept the Bitcoin for their products and services, the price will rise again. Just like how it's going up right now after the tweet from Elon about going back to cryptocurrencies if they're sustainable. So, to sum things up, Elon is a man who builds a loyal fan base with his companies. So when you have brand authority, people look up to you for guidance. When there are so many people looking up to you for guidance, then you might need to act a bit more responsibly. And chances are you might even lose your credibility if you don't act responsibly. But we don't think such a thing will happen with Elon, as the man is working on more significant projects with no signs of stopping anytime soon. Elon also warned people about putting their savings into cryptocurrencies, and he also mentioned the risks involved too, so you cannot completely blame Elon here. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, you should know that you cannot buy many things with cryptocurrencies today, but in the future, there are chances that we'll be using more cryptocurrency payments than fiat currencies, considering the fact that everything around us is going digital, and our currencies too will be digital soon. With that, we've come to an end of our video. What do you think about Elon Musk's tweets? Did you invest in cryptocurrencies after Elon tweeted about them? Do let us know in the comment section below. Drop a like for this video if you also found the video to be informative. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. Catch you all in the next one.